Hello and welcome back. This is Kausar. Today in this video I will share with you how to install unlock tools on your PC. So let's start. For this I have to open any browser and then I have to write unlock tools download this one and then go first link and then scroll down little. Here you can find download now. Okay, here is lot of download link. I will choose direct link and then here is showing one downloading. Okay, I have to wait a little. It will dependent on your internet speed. My file is downloaded and then I have to choose this folder and then I have lot of file, then I have to unzip it because this file is zipped. Okay, then I will unzip it and then here is my file. Then I have to open it using right button. I have to uh, open it, run as administrator. Here it will pop up in Windows a notification, then choose more information and then run anyway. Then minimize this space. It can take a little second. Again one pop-up showing, then I have to choose yes, then wait again. Now put your user ID and password, then press login. It will asking agree and then you have to wait again. It can take few minutes depending on your computer configuration, so don't be panic. Yeah, it's loading. This is the unlock tools features. Now you can use any type of unlock, me, Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, Nokia, Lenovo, Android, and lot of things. Thanks for watching my video. If my video is helpful, please share with your friend.